Another that is very available here in Kenya is water hyacinth. Okay, for many, for some, water hyacinth is a undesirable. Okay, for ponds, for lakes, but in fact, it has 20% crowd protein. Okay, note before making it into silage, be sure to wash with chlorine. Okay, so you just use 5 ml chlorine for every 100 liters of water. Okay, and then after washing, you air dry and process into silage the following day. Why the following day? Because at least now the chlorine has already evaporated or it's already gone. Okay.